Hello, and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Jpap, and I am proud to come from Boulder, Colorado in the United States of America, and this is my natural accent. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Hello, how are you? Are you having a fabulous day? I'm really enjoying recording this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, here goes with some random sentences. The hot sun reflected off the car windows and lit up the garage. Behind the sliding door, a little girl could hear a cat scratching. She saw a toy sheep that she got from the zoo was stuck in the door jamb. She climbed onto a chair and tapped the chain 4 times to release the toy. I think the cat was very happy. The poor boy was on a starship stuck in bed. He had poor vision and an angry boil on his nose. His father had no name and was running late to visit his son Charlie, but the man was also the ship's doctor for the last 10 years. He asked if he wanted a pot of water to wash with. His son replied yes. It is red letter day, and no matter where I place my chewing gum, I cannot put it on the envelope no matter how I try. Then you said, "Come over here and let me try." Right now, I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and then do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for X-ray, Y is for yellow, Z is for zebra. That's me, Jpap, recording for the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. I run a couple social media accounts. You can find me on Instagram at just.pappas, on Twitter at just_pappas, and on TikTok at justpappas. I'm covering the story of English right now, so that's what I do on my YouTube channel. That's Justin Pappas. I'll catch you next time.